In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable mouse pointer trails on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go and select where it says mouse pointer and touch. Scrolling down where it says mouse pointer trails, click inside this oval one time and toggle to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.